Artwork Fly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and I have another organizational video for you. Now this bag I got from Temu is very spacious, reasonable price.
So this is how I store my pencil crayons and my markers. So I want to give my storage a bit more room. So I bought something flat that you can probably put something on top of it, or put it in a corner like this and then put something beside it, and it gives more space, more room, etc. And I can also organize it by color, but I will not be doing that tonight, probably next night. But for now, what I'm going to do is to transfer everything from in here into here.
And the quality of this bag is excellent. Look how many of these things is going to hold in that bag there. So I have pencil, crayon, markers, etc, etc in that bag there, in that box there. So I'm going to transfer them now to this bag here and watch the transformation. This video is a part of the organizational videos that I put out previously. If you haven't seen those videos, go ahead and check those videos out. This is part 10. Alright guys, get ready for some ASMR, and I really do like this bag. I definitely recommend. Look how many pencil crayons it holds. But before you guys go, please remember to like the video if you like this video and please ensure to comment down below and tell me what you think, what I need to upgrade on, what do you want to watch. Just let me know in the comments down below. We'll have a conversation about it, okay? And please consider subscribing to the channel. It will help me out a lot. Thank you.
Dance and highlights sing from the deepest soul we bring a vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are Artwork Fly.
Okay, so I'm all done guys. So I'm showing you what I've done. All of the pencil crayon fits nicely inside, and the markers, and it's also a travel bag, so you can also travel with your markers if you do need to do so or do want to do so but not sure of the colors that you should bring. This bag holds all of the pencil crayons and the markers, so you can just travel with your pencil crayon. If you want to go to a nice little area to just focus on your art, you can do so. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.